And good evening, all. Welcome to Global Gardeners training program. So, I welcome our training head, National Raman sir. I welcome our state head and executive director, Devraj sir. I welcome all master channel partners, and assistant channel partners to this session. So today we will be learning about like the value of your PIN code from none other than the great trainer. So now I would like our regional director, Mr. Srisha, to introduce the trainer to the floor.
Thank you. Good evening all GGNs, and good evening, Raman sir. Welcome to this Karnataka GG family. So it's my privilege to introduce Mr. Raman Nair sir. He's a Chief Training Development Officer, Global Gardener, and state head for Uttar Bharat region comprising Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Delhi, Chandigarh, and Uttarakhand. International graduate, JCI University, USA. CEO of Vivekananda Institute for Scientific and Technological Application and Research, Vistar Shiksha. So managing partner, Tripat Electricals and the Electric House. Heading a group of businesses under the umbrella company Tripat Electricals, having 5 companies and 9 verticals dealing in trading and manufacturing of industrial electrical components. Tripat Group is also doing active agro farming in South Asia. Founder Director, Quad Global Connect Private Limited, which is a socio-commercial organization totally dedicated to business leadership development, which is acknowledged as most innovative and revolutionary concept in business leadership learning. Actively involved in an individual development organization called Junior Chamber International, where he groomed his training skills while serving at its different national level offices. He was an executive vice president in charge of training in 1997. In 1998, he was a chairman of National Faculty Cell of Indian Junior Chamber. So he has conducted certified training programs at Taiwan, Malaysia, South Korea, Japan, and he traveled more than 10 to 15 countries in pursuit of his training assignments. A businessman and a professional mentor, trainer, and motivational speaker by profession, and positively he touched thousands of businesses, professionals, students, teachers, NGO volunteers, housewives, middle and top level managers, and so far. And now thousands of GGNs. He's born on 27th August 1960, married to Saroj. He is blessed with 2 daughters and a son, Neha, Megha, and Puni. Very fond of reading, writing, and traveling. Mr. Raman Nair is fully dedicated to his professions of mentoring, training, and trading of industrial electricals. We are so proud to have him here in GG Karnataka family. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪೆನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬುಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So let us learn and listen from Mr. Raman Nair. So welcome you, Mr. Raman Nair, sir. Over to Chairman.
Thank you, Srisha. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಗಣಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಲೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ರಮನ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿತೌಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಚ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಟು ರಮನ್ ಸರ್.
Thank you so much, Shrisha. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for very nice introduction. In fact, now whenever I'm introduced like this, sometimes I really wonder, is it me? So, but thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Well, when Deva asked me, sir, what is the topic? So I thought, what can be the most relevant thing for a state which is so vibrant, which is probably, if not number 1, it's almost number 1. And what is the most required thing there? So then this thing came into my mind that this is one state where the entire state is very vibrant in business, very vibrant in business. And actual business of Global Garner has to happen at pin code level. Now the question is whether if this state is so vibrant in business, the people who will be doing business, Global Garner business at pin code level, are they equally vibrant? That is a very big question. Of late, for the last 2 months, I have been doing a lot of research on different pin codes of the country. And I found that there are almost 200, more than 200 pin codes which require I don't say ACP, because somehow we have labeled our ACP as the lowest level of the chain, lowest level of the hierarchy. But these pin codes will require ACPs of say the corporates, the business houses. Like, I give you one example. How many of you have been to Delhi? Quite a few of you have been to Delhi. There is there are 99 pin codes in Delhi. Out of 99, there are 64, almost 60, let's take 60 pin codes, which are hardcore business areas. Hardcore business areas. I talk about one pin code, which is Karol Bagh. Now, Karol Bagh pin code has a population of about 2 lakh plus. And there are more than 40,000 businesses registered. More than 40,000 businesses registered. Now, you know the size of the business that happens at Karol Bagh. So for that kind of pin code, what kind of an ACP will you select to handle the business there? This is my question to you. Same is Rohini, same is Sadar Bazaar, same is this Connaught Place, same is Daryaganj. Malviya Nagar pin code. What kind of an ACP you will look for to do Global Garner business there? Rohini, the population is more than 3 lakhs. And more than 40,000 businesses registered there. And we say 350 crores GMV. If I calculate Rohini business, this will be more than 1,500 crores. Now, what kind of an ACP you will look for? बोलेंगे, let's discuss. आप बोलेंगे तो मुझे पता लगा. You have to talk.
No, actually they are muted. I'll just unmute them.
Acha, sorry. Help them, please.
Okay.
Do it just 5-7 minutes. I
will unmute them. Yeah. So if anybody want to talk, you can unmute and talk.
Yes.
I've given the facility to unmute themselves.
So I have given you few examples of pin codes in Delhi. Same is your Bangalore, maybe that's also similar.
Minimum to minimum, around 10 years solid business background chahiye when we select such.
When you look for an ACP.
Right.
Now, I'm with due respect to all our ACPs present here, please don't take it otherwise. An ACP, a candidate, ACP prospect, to whom you are pursuing for say continuously 10 days, please invest 50,000 rupees and buy a UPOS so that I give you this PIN code. Are you doing justice? And that person says, sir, wait, I'm little tight. Are you doing justice to that PIN code? Or that PIN code as an MCP is your property. All of you are handling minimum 200 PIN codes. That poor fellow, neither he will do business and he will not allow you to do business there. If I have to select an ACP for Rohini, I will look for a company, a corporate, a business house which has an experience of, as Shrisha has told, about 10-15 years, a good number of employees, maybe a turnover of minimum 50 crores, who understand what business is and how business is developed, who have the equally big infrastructure to handle that volume, isn't it? Now, my second question is, how will you pitch? How will you pitch that? I forget Global Garner, forget everything. Now you have one PIN code, let's say Karol Bagh PIN code of Delhi. How will you pitch? Will you show your wow or will you show your Uday?
No. Sir, बोलो
Yes,
मैं
Chidanand. Yes, Chidanand.
जो भी हमारा फैसिलिटी है या उसको हम कैसा हेल्प कर सकते हैं, उसका कैसा बिजनेस हम लेके जा सकते हैं, उसको किस तरफ से हेल्प करके हम उसको जो भी है बिजनेस उसमें उसको कैसा बिजनेस बढ़ा सकते हो, हम उसको प्रपोजल दे सकते हैं,
Mhm.
एक्सप्लेन करके उसका जो भी जितना भी बिजनेस चल रहा है, अगर हमारा साथ कोई है उनको लेके हम बिजनेस करने से उसको अच्छा ये लगेगा, ऐसा एक्सप्लेन करना है हमारा एम जो भी है,
Okay.
उसको बता के हम कर सकते हैं ऐसा।
Anybody else? और कोई कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाह रहा? किस तरीके के लोगों को हम पिच करेंगे, कैसे पिच करेंगे? You are doing every day, आप हर day हो.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay. So we have we are part of a digital platform called Global Garner.
Mhm.
It's a similar app like Amazon or any other app where we connect the buyers to the sellers. Even Amazon today has given a platform to all the sellers and connect the buyers. They connect the buyer to the sellers. Similar way, we have a digital platform where we can connect the buyers to the sellers. The difference is in Amazon, it can connect the sellers who are online. But here we can connect the online as well as the offline sellers.
Okay. So, do you think a person or a business house having an 100 crore turnover will be attracted?
नो सर,
What if I go to the top business association, say CII, top business association of the, then am I audible? My signal is bad, I think. मेरी आवाज ठीक आ रही है?
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
sir.
coming out. Okay, because it stopped. Everything stopped. I thought. So I will approach that and I will tell. Look, if my city is Ludhiana and I find 6-7 codes are like that, I say, look, I am looking for 7 people to be my corporate partners in a company, which within 2 years will be India's #1 company. And I want to circulate in your group, whatever the way is. And I tell that we are going to have a discussion on this. The interested people can give me these detail, and then I ask 10 questions. What is your business? Kitne partner hain aap? What is your turnover? What is your experience? What is it? You please apply. The size of the business is 1,000 crores per year. If you are interested, please apply. Now, what will happen to an organization where there are 200, 300 people? मुझे 10 लोग मिलेंगे क्या?
मिलेंगे sir.
Easily I'll get.
Yes.
Easily I'll get 10 people. I'm showing you the regular, your the presentation which you show. I'll show them presentation. Can you see my screen, please?
Yes, sir.
I will not explain because all of you know what it is. I will run fast. Welcome to the Global Garner. Little different than whatever we were talking earlier, isn't it? Welcome to the digital world of Global Garner. Global Garner Sales Services Limited. Then I explain, when did it start? It started in 2016, launched application in 2017 with a self-financed capital of 3.8 lakh, presence all India, 14 states, 150 MCPs, 7,000 partners, modern. This I quickly give the information of the company. Then I tell Global Garner Sales Service, corporate offices, head offices in Ahmedabad, admin offices in Ahmedabad, global offices in Bangalore, DSA offices in Gurgaon, DSP offices in Bangalore. Then I talk about the valuation. I tell the entire story. How we started from 216 crores and then we revalued, and then what happened with 2000 UPOs and other things happening, and the global announcement of global office and how we rose to 7,000 crores. Right? And then I give the address of our valuer. And quickly I tell this, the entire concept is copied. What we are, the giant strides forward, kya karne wale hain. We are sales giant by selling sales. We don't have a product, we have a process to sell. And that process is after is sales. Integrating and aggregating every sending and selling. Here I talk about Ola story, I talk about the Uber story, I talk about all aggregating companies, whether it is Bima, Policybazaar.com and all aggregators. And I tell them how they grew and how they became so big. Aggregated one product. They aggregated one product and became so big. We are aggregating everything. Means the entire spending and selling. कुछ भी खर्चा करो, कुछ भी खरीदो. कुछ भी बेचो, you buy anything, you sell anything, we aggregated everything. That tells the size of it. Then empowering the partners in economy at all level. We are empowering the economy at the level of a user, at a buyer or a spender, and a seller and the middleman. We are empowering everybody in the creating a strong set of solopreneur. Solopreneur is the individual entrepreneurs. 9 lakh is our UPOS. I don't talk say UPOS or digital mall or nothing. I talk corporate language to him. Creating a strong set of solopreneur, 9 lakh. Bridging the gap between online and physical. We are bridging that huge gap of online and physical. We are the bridge. We have brought them both at the same platform. Finally, bringing in 72 lakhs sustain. Every entrepreneur is very proud of this fact that, okay, my company is giving job to 100 people, giving job to 5 companies, giving job. And this factor strikes here, bringing in 72 lakh sustainable jobs. Then I tell why we are so special, why it is number one in first time we are doing. Because people do innovate, people bring in the change in the business, the shift in the business. They bring one disruption. We are bringing many disruptions altogether. The first company that integrated entire spend economy of the country. आज तक किसी ने नहीं किया. Huge disruption. And the best thing is it is disrupting, but not nobody is losing business here. We are the only company जो आप पहले भी बात करते हैं. Every time you say post same online and offline. We have a universal app, products and services, world biggest inter-exchange. This is also talk in your wow, in your business presentation, everywhere. Same thing you talk. And we are the first company which is telling 100% cashback. So far, I'm not putting more emphasis on crore. I'm talking about 100% cashback. When I tell cashback, and we still make profit. We are not losing. It is not the interest thing, nothing of that. That's why I say we are world's number one. And the biggest thing is we are world's number one to create a digital conventional buying and selling through digital mall. Here I talk about digital mall. And tell what are we offering? Now you all 5, 7, 10, 15 people who are here, what are we offering to you as a corporate? Approximate 350 crores GM business at a digital of digital and physical and online and after the physical space of a pin code. एक पिन कोड पे 350 करोड़ का बिजनेस ऑफर कर रहे हैं. We are offering you the business model to have share in every spending and selling that happens. We are giving you a model where you will share in every spending and selling in a pin code. That is the model. That how aggressively you can work there. But we have the model where you will have share in every pocket. You have your share. Opportunity over all three elements of economy: the buyer, the seller, the middleman. And by doing this, you will be empowering all the three people. in that entire economy, the spend economy of the country. This is what we are offering you. A monthly income potential of 1 crore to 3 crores from all the businesses. There will be multiple businesses which you will be doing when you own a PIN code. And we are talking about an income potential of 1 crore to 3 crore rupees. People, the businessman immediately starts calculating. If this much is the potential, how big will be the investment? Right? Then I talk about the concept quickly. This is the same concept we have earlier also talked many times. How we are satisfied about giving the cash which he never had. And I tell what kind of money in India we were spending. 15 lakh crore se 21 lakh crore, 15 lakh crores to 21 lakh crores every month. These people are spending. ये जो buyer है spending, and this always this has gone thankless. Nobody says thanks. इसको कोई thank you नहीं बोलता. ये 15 लाख रुपया खर्च करता. And we are now gratifying this buyers, a cashback from 2% to 100%. We go to these people when these people are, ये जो segment है economy का जुड़ जाता है, तो we go to the people who spend immense amount to get these buyers, जो इतना पैसा खर्च करते हैं for customer acquisition. Then I gave all the examples of customer acquisition cost of Amazon, of Flipkart, of Paytm. All they have been spending thousands rupees of on one customer acquisition. And I go to these people and tell, you don't have to spend anything on customer acquisition. I will make you another Amazon to the street side vendors. I will make everybody Amazon, and I will not take anything from you upfront. And then you give me my commission when you make sale. I send these people because these people are with me. These people to you, the mails, then and when the commissions I give it.
Sir, we lost your voice, sir.
Second, I'll use my. Can you hear now? Can you hear now?
It's echoing, sir.
आप सुन पा रहे हैं?
हाँ, अभी ठीक है सर.
ठीक है. So the next challenge before us was what to do with, how to manage that. How do we know where to send this customer and to whom we send this customer? So we created the middleman. It's called the digital mall. Then I explained the concept of digital mall. So this is the logic of the concept. I have not explained what is cashback, what are all the, no process. I have not explained anything, because once he says yes, then I'll make them sit. Okay, now understand the process. Here I am giving them the logic of the concept. Now here quickly I explain the concept. The buyer's benefit, amazing cashback, lifetime user referral income, and referring a vendor input. All three incomes, I quickly give them an overview. The seller benefit, digitalization is zero upfront cost, exponential growth, loyal customer base, easy expansion, referral income from the customer. And then I talk about the middleman's benefit, 20 crore products and services, zero inventory cost, zero operational cost, almost no infrastructure, quick expansion, multiple business choices. This slide will take me maximum 10 minutes. I'll explain that. And then I asked, what is your role? You will empower all three of them and build your business of about 350 crore. You don't have to do anything else. You empower all these three people. I have talked about it. And then you make your business of 350 crores. This is the roadmap where Global Garner is going ahead, where we are going ahead. And then I tell all those future businesses are going to happen at pin code level. Today we are talking to you 350 crore. Tomorrow this will get multiplied, because tomorrow these are the UPA Commission, Aquash, we talk about water, we talk about white label product, manufacturing outsourcing, all those things we show in our vision. You show it, no? In your Global Garner vision, same things I explain. And I will tell how this is going to happen at pin code level. And now comes the point, whom we are looking for. Thank you very much for coming. आप लोग सब आए. But these are the things we are looking for. But this size of business, we know it's not everybody's job. That's why you have been specially invited for that. That's why we asked you those 10 questions and we picked up. And a visionary entrepreneurs, enterprise hungry for big growth. Current business turnover between 30 crore to 100 crores. Strong reputation. Having sales team, having infrastructure, centrally located office, training room for 30 to 50 people, well networked, preferably having retail experience. Agar aapke paas hai to, that's fine. Now, these are my conditions. These are the qualifiers for the business who will handle this pin code. Then I'll show them the figures. Now, if I'll give you one example, what are the figures like? Okay, wait. I'll show you the Excel sheet. Can you see this sheet? Excel sheet दिख रही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
I'm giving you example of one pin code of Ludhiana, 141001. This data has been taken from a very authenticated resource. I will give you the source link. The population of this pin code is almost 3 lakh. It was 2 or 3 years back, so it is now almost 3 lakhs is the population. That means about 75,000 families. Correct? Registered businesses, Google data, registered on those who are registered on Google also. The businesses in this pin code, 32,039. These many businesses are registered there. The area is 26.5 square kilometers. This is the oldest, old Ludhiana. Now we assume out of those 3 lakh people, in 1 year, I tell this is your 1 year is your gestation period. Every business understands that they to come into profit, they may require 3 years, 4 years time. I tell 1 year. Can you bring in 20,000 users out of 3 lakh? Will it be very difficult? You have staff, you have your people, you can enroll partners, you can have it as big team as you want. I'm giving you a very humble figure. I always stress, I'm giving you a very humble figure. Out of those 3 lakh, it is possible that you enroll 1 lakh people in a year, but I'm taking 20,000. And this being the prime area of Ludhiana, and the statistics is also giving that the level, the status of the economic status of the people living in this pin code. Their monthly expense will not be anywhere less than 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Minimum expense. And we assume that through Global Garner, they spend only 20,000 rupees. 2 UPVs. Just 2 UPVs. This is the monthly income. Now,
out of those 32,000 vendors, will your team be able to enroll 2,000? Again, very humble figure, very humble figure. And if you manage just 1 lakh rupees commission, 1 lakh rupees commission मतलब 50 lakh की sale, 1 lakh rupees commission from them. This is the income. Now, you have 50 UPOS. To own a PIN code for lifetime, you need 51 PIN codes, UPOSs. You have 50 UPOS. And every UPOS is in 1 year starts earning 1 lakh rupees. This is a very small amount of this, but this UPOS will help you here. For 26 kilometers, you need 5 grain stores. I recommend you start your own grain stores, 5 grain stores. It can be online, offline, whatever you want. And if this UPOS give you 400 customer each, the total number of customers is 20,000. And they spend 10,000 with you. This is the turnover. 20 crore. 2 crore is your 10% is the margin. That's what we are doing. 2 crore is the profit. This is the income. I have not talked about UPV referral income, UPOS one-time income, all those user benefit, those who will be coming through them only, because it is that business house who will be enrolling all those people. That income is again phenomenal this side. Now, you discount 50% of it. I have already taken the humble figures. You further discounted 50%. Still, it is not bad. You discount 60-70%. Still, it is 1 crore rupees per. That is the PIN code potential. And this size PIN code, all states have this size of PIN codes. Now I'll give you the link. Let me show you from where you can get this data. Can you see this? The site name is Saibo.
अभी share
You
हो रहा
will
है.
be amazed what kind of information they have. They will tell you the city, the area. Now look at this. Primary city is Ludhiana, area 6.26 kilometer, population 2,43,000, जो अब 3 लाख हो गई होगी. Male population कितनी है? What is the female population? Population change कितना हुआ? Population change from 2000 से 2015 तक कितना है? Median age is 27. You look at this. This is the gold mine. The median age is the youngsters who spend online, जो हमारे actual customers हैं. This is the female median age. See, all those things you look at this. This is the data. Now comes the map. Here is the map. Here is the PIN code population. Map of the population. The population change. The PIN code median age आ गया. Population tree आ गया. Age आ गया. Male, female किस उम्र के male, female कितने हैं? वो भी इसमें बताया हुआ. Which age group के male, female कितने हैं? That's also. Now PIN code population density. किस एरिया में कितना dense है? Because you know कि आपका store कहाँ place करना है. Comes the historical population project. This is the businesses, industry और businesses कैसे हैं, shopping कितने हैं, professionals कितने हैं, industry कितनी है, food कितने हैं, home services कितने हैं, others कितने हैं, right? Now here comes के look, ऑटोमोटिव की कितनी दुकानें, कार पार्ट्स की कितनी, कार रिपेयर की कितनी, ब्यूटी एंड स्पा, ब्यूटी सलून, हेयर ड्रेसेस, एजुकेशन, यू हैव एवरीथिंग हियर. कितने नंबर्स कितने हैं, all detail you have here. You can easily get this data. Look at this data. So from here, you do your work and create this Excel sheet. Show it to them. Then what will happen? Sorry. So after showing the figures, I have shown them the figures. Then I simply ask your questions, please. This presentation will not take more than an hour. 1 घंटे से ज्यादा ये presentation नहीं ले. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now, this is how you present your pin codes. What will be the impact on the people, the business houses who will be gathered there for your presentation? What do you think? Yes, please. I want your feedback on it.
By presenting this presentation, only the right candidates will catch the point, and the remainings we auto filtering ho jayega. So very good, very
Right.
good.
But my second question is, while appointing an ACP, do you analyze this? Or you are extremely desperate? Oh my God, there is someone who has bought pin code, bought UPOS. Let me give him a pin code. You are losing your business. आप अपना बिजनेस लूज कर रहे हैं. चलिए, तो मेरा ये कहना है कि आप उस एसीपी का नुकसान नहीं कर रहे, अपना भी कर रहे हैं. And then you are getting into the rut of appointing an ACP, removing him, appoint him, remove him, appoint him, remove him. This will be an endless pain for you, because that ACP will not be able to perform according to the potential of the pin code. Correct? Any question? This is all I wanted to talk about.